In fourth, meaning a 2.31. Blue and yellow standing but falling. Here comes another big one. Let's see if green wants it, because I know red can see it. It's a close-up. There it is. Ooh, interesting. 8 minutes remaining. Remaining. Green, first priority. Green, you need a 2.31. A 2.31. Red, in second priority. In third, you need a 2.71. Move to the next round. Yellow, you're given the third priority. Oh, yellow, you lost your